Mwakwabo, I welcome you. What to say? How are you? Meaning say I know you are well. Any yeah. Okay, that is good. We're going to continue the lesson on formation of sentences in Twi, and this is going to be lesson 4 of that. In lesson 3, I'll put a link in the description. We introduce the definite article, and this time around we are also going to introduce to. Very good. Well, let's get our pronouns ready. The pronouns are me, which means me or I; no, which means him or her, which also means what? The. It is the definite article, no. So it has two uses: him or her, and then the. Good. And then we also have one, which means they or them; yen, which means we or us. Very good. These are the pronouns that we are going to use. What about the verb? The verb we have what? Fa, which means to take. Fa, to take. Ma, which means what? To give. To give. Ma. But when we say fa-ma, when we combine fa and then ma, it means to give to. To give to. Note the difference. Ma, to give. Ma, to give. Fa-ma, to give to. To give to. So take note of that. Never mind, we're going to learn how to use these verbs and this what? Phrase. So stay tuned. Well, in the previous lesson we gave this example, and that was, give me the medicine. Give me the medicine. And we said, Mami Aduro no. Mami Aduro no, which means give me the medicine. Good. Ma means to give. Me means what? I or me. So, mami, that is give me the medicine. Aduro no. The no is what? The definite article, de. And I explained that with Twi, the definite article comes after the noun. So we have no coming after aduro. Aduro is medicine. So when we say aduro no, we mean the medicine. The medicine. Aduro no. Very good. Today we're going to introduce to. So instead of saying Mami Aduro, that is give me medicine, I'm gonna say give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Then I am not going to say Mami, but I will say Fama. Fama. That is what I told you. When we say Fama, that is what? To give to. To give to. So, Fama me. Fama me. Give it to me. So if I want to say, give the medicine to me, can you try that? Give the medicine to me. Then I will say, Faaduro no. Faaduro no. Ma me. Fa, that means give. Aduro no, the medicine. Ma, that is to. Me. So we say Faaduro aduro no ma me. Give the medicine to me. Give the medicine to me. So you see, when we want to use to, then we have to make use of what? Fa and what? Ma. Fa and ma. But if you are not making use of to, and if I just want to say, give me the medicine, then I will say, ma me aduro no. Ma me aduro no. But if I want to make use of to, then I have to make use of what? Fa and ma. So, if I want to say, give the medicine to me, then I will say, fa. The medicine is what? Aduro no ma me. Faaduro no ma me. Faaduro no ma me. Give the medicine to me. Faaduro no ma me. So how would you say, give the medicine to him? Give the medicine to him. Fa aduro no ma no. Fa aduro no ma no. You know, you are saying to no, aduro no. The no that comes after aduro is what? De. De. And then the no that comes after ma is what? Him or her. Him or her. Good. So, faaduro no mano. Faaduro no mano. Give the medicine to him. Give the medicine to him. Faaduro no mano. Faaduro no mano. But in lesson 3, we said mano aduro no. Mano aduro no. Give him the medicine. Mano. The no is what? Him or her. So mano, give him aduro no the medicine. Mano aduro no. Mano aduro no. But this time around, we are saying, give the medicine to him. Then we will say, faaduro no. Faaduro no mano. Faaduro no mano. Give the medicine to him. Give the medicine to him. Faaduro no mano. Faaduro no mano. Good. How are you going to say, give the medicine to them? Give the medicine to them. Try it. Okay. Faaduro no ma one. Faaduro no ma one. One is what? Them. It could also mean what? They. But this time around, it is in the object position. So, it is what? Them. Faaduro no ma one. Give the medicine to them. Once we are saying faaduro no, the no that comes after aduro, as I've told you, is what? The. So, give the medicine. Give the medicine. Ma one to them. To them. Give the medicine to them. Faaduro no ma one. Try this one. Give the medicine to us. Give the medicine to us. How would you say that? It's gonna be faaduro no ma yen. Faaduro no ma yen. Faaduro no ma yen. Give the medicine to us. Give the medicine to us. Faaduro no ma yen. Faaduro no ma yen. Give the medicine to us. The fa and then the ma, when they come together, then they portray to give to. To give to. So, Faaduro no mayen. Give the medicine to us. Give the medicine to us. Give the medicine to us. So what have we learned? We have learned how to use fama, and that is what to give to in Twi. So we give examples such as give it to me, fama me. I think by this time you are picking up bit by bit in the formation of Twi sentences. I urge you to keep it up, and very soon you'll be able to form sentences in Twi. Thanks for watching, and kindly subscribe. Thank you.